just being able to capture these magical moments of animals coming by.
We wanted to watch them. They're so beautiful.
They're just the cutest little things in the world.
Hey there, I'm Crystal with Ring. Up next in Neighborhood Stories, how some of our neighbors use their Ring cams to check out life's wildest moments. From bucks to bears, the locals always stop by David's home to sniff around. They're a little nosy and give short notice when they're on the way. Like on this visit, when David and his cat were outside and saw an elk. That's David in the corner. He tried to record it on his smartphone, but missed it.
I went back to my Ring footage 5 minutes later, and I realized Ring had captured the moment perfectly. One of the highlights of my day is waking up, seeing that I have some Ring notifications, going to them, and seeing what was running around our property in the middle of the night. And it never ceases to amaze me.
Mama Hummingbird flew right back to protect her nest. Susanna and Blake got a bird's eye view of the eggs from their stick-up cam.
The night vision on it is amazing. You can really see their shapes and everything and what the mom is doing.
At times, wind tested the hummingbird, but she continued to build a strong nest for her chicks. A few weeks later, they hatched, but weren't the only hungry birds.
A crow swooped in to try and get at the nest.
It's terrifying.
Luckily, the crow missed both times.
Susanna and Blake put up another Ring cam and watched the chicks feed from a different angle. And shortly after, both spread their wings.
What a cool thing to be able to watch these birds from eggs to growing up.
They're the size of a teacup and search for food around hedges. A popular video game was even named after them. A pair showed up in Tim and Chona's garden. They put a stick-up cam outside to get a closer look without disturbing them.
You can see their eyes and the movement in their eyes. You can see how small the tongues are as well. And there's their cute little faces, you know. And I'm nearly 50 years old, and I'm getting in total all hedgehogs, which is just totally bananas, right?
Tim also has the Ring Protect plan that lets him save and share his hedgehog videos for up to 60 days. And the great thing about your video recordings, you can easily share them with friends or family using your smartphone. If you have videos you'd like to share with us, send them to stories@ring.com.